Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, everyone. It's Abdul Azim, and let's talk about today's inside story of the people who have been arrested by the Delhi police in connection with the riots in February. People are arrested in connection with the Delhi riots are being released on bail due to the efforts of the Jamiat Ulama Hind. The Jamiat Ulama Hind Maulana Mahmood Madni group was arrested in connection with Delhi riots and then released later. Delhi police has registered a large number of FIRs and arrested hundreds of people, but these peoples are also being granted bail on the basis of insufficient evidence. One of them was Mohsin of Mustafabad. He was arrested on 1st of August because he appeared in a CCTV footage. He had to spend 29 days in jail on just being walking in the CCTV footage. Now he has granted bail on the basis of CCTV footage. On the basis of the CCTV footage was an insufficient evidence. Muhammad Mohsin says that our situation is not good and we want to be acquitted in this case because we are innocent. Similarly, another man, Muhammad Yunus of Chandbagh was arrested in murder case of Constable Ratan Lal. He was arrested. He was involved in the Mustafabad protest with his brother. So he was involved in the case along with 17 others. Yunus now is on bail because 10th of his father's death, and the bail has been extended by the High Court till September 29. In another case, Gulzar of Khajuri Khas was arrested on 25th of February on the charges of breaking a CCTV camera and stealing a bicycle. He was later charged with looting or rioting. No nominee report has filed against Yunus in any of the FIRs. CCTV footage was provided by Delhi police in court, but the CCTV footage did not clearly identify the court. I'll decide. Muhammad Yunus said that I was arrested because I was standing outside of my house, and I was kept in the case because of being active in the Mustafabad protest. Let's come to the Gulzar case. On the other hand, Gulzar's uncle said after coming out on bail, he was attacked again, after which he was sent to jail again. A large number of people have been arrested by the Delhi police in investigation of the Delhi riots on the basis of CCTV footages and videos. Innocent people are facing trial. Bail is being granted on the insufficient evidence of the CCTV footage, and the Jamiat Ulama Hind group is helping them. Maulana Hakimuddin Kasmi of Jamiat Ulama Hind said that those people who want to raise their voice and seek justice assistance is being provided, and there are hundreds of cases are currently being fought in connection with the Delhi riots. So that's the case or story today, guys. If you want me to speak on more topics, let me know in the comment section below. Drop your like, share it and subscribe it. I'll see you in the next video.